Hi there, thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I am stoked to present the answer to all of your reed problems, this reed adjustment kit. I've partnered up with Sandpiper Oboe Boutique to create a kit to help oboists adjust their reeds. Reed making tools are super expensive, and so we've collaborated to create an affordable kit that has everything that you need to adjust reeds that are store-bought or from an online reed maker or from your teacher. When you receive a reed, it's not always perfect, like ready to play out of the box. And in pre-COVID times, it was really easy to bring a reed to a private teacher and have them adjust the reed so it's ready for you to play on. Now we can't have in-person lessons, so we're giving you the power to be able to adjust reeds on your own. The most common issues for reeds out of the box are that they are flat or that they are too hard to play. And so these are the problems that I'm going to be addressing in today's video. And I'm going to be doing that only using the tools that are inside this reed finishing kit. For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name is Ron and I post oboe content every week. Feel free to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button so you don't miss any of my upcoming oboe videos. As well, you can find me on Instagram at oboeron. First, let's take a look at this kit itself. It has this beautiful Sandpiper Oboe Boutique emblem. The pouch is just gorgeous and petite. It's easy to carry around so you can adjust reeds on the go. It's available in navy blue, charcoal, or midnight. I love these makeup shade names for stuff. It is just the best, and we need more of this in the oboe world. Inside the pouch, the biggest ticket item is this Chirugi double hollow ground knife. This is extremely high quality, and you're gonna be able to use this for years to come. We'll be able to use this knife to make extremely precise adjustments. Next, we have a tin that has in it a blue steel plaque. And so you can use this to insert into the reed in between the blades so you can scrape on one blade at a time. And you have 5 super high quality gem razor blades. These are super sharp, so please handle them very, very carefully. You can use a razor blade in conjunction with a chopping block, which is the last item in here, to clip the reeds up to pitch. So first we'll address the issue of flat reeds. So I have here a Jones oboe reed from my Jones oboe reed review video. And I felt like it was very flat. And so all you need to do is take your razor blade and unwrap it. And you can just carefully place the reed onto the chopping block, and then you're going to take the razor blade with the other hand and you're going to clip off the tiniest bit. Always err on the side of clipping less cane off because you can't put it on once you've taken it off. It's definitely higher pitch, as you can hear. I'm going to keep clipping it because it is still low. You want the reed to play a C natural when you peep it in playing position. So now it's up to a C, and now I get to play it for you, and we'll see how it feels. So the reed is much more up to pitch than it was before. It's much easier to play. So that's your solution for when you have flat reeds. You just have to clip them up incrementally until they crow a C. The next problem is when reeds are too hard. And so this is an example of the medium hard Jones double reed. It's just like a little bit too effortful to make a sound. My first suggestion always is just to manually try to close the reed. And so I'm just pressing it down, and if you just press it down for 30 seconds, sometimes that's all the reed really needs, and then it'll play well. Sometimes that's just not enough. And so that's when scraping with a knife is the right solution. So I recommend going into your kitchen and grabbing a carrot for the next exercise because we're gonna learn some basic knife technique. So I got a big old carrot here, just got it from my fridge, it's really cold. And I'm just gonna teach you some really basic knife technique. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna hold the knife in your right hand, if you're right-handed, and put your thumb on the blade, just like this, on the back side of the blade. Then you're gonna create a perpendicular situation with your other thumb. And so your thumbs make a right angle. Then you're going to bring the tip of the knife to the carrot and you're just going to rotate your wrist. And what you do is you rotate your wrist of your right hand and you push the knife forward with your left thumb. So you see I'm able to peel this carrot? Great. So trust me, once you've done it on a carrot, it's actually easier to do it on a reed. I'm gonna get rid of this mess now. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna scrape this reed, and you always wanna scrape on reeds when they're already soaked, same with clipping. So the reeds are already soaked, and you're gonna insert the plaque gently in between the blades, and then take your knife and go to the very corners of the reed. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that same motion. You're just gonna do a very light motion of scraping cane right off of the corners. And I'm gonna show you in the close-up cam how I do that. You don't need a lot to come off, because really it's the difference of like less than a human hair of a great reed and a reed that is too hard to function. You can count the number of strokes you do to ensure consistency and evenness between the 4 quadrants of the reed. So there's, 2 blades, and each blade has like a half which is symmetrical to the other half. And so that's what we want to focus on, is creating symmetry between those 4 quadrants. Okay, so now the reed feels much easier to play and it vibrates more easily, but now it's not growing a C, it's a little bit flat. And so what we can do is we can clip it the same way that we did the flat reed. Time to try to play it. That is much better and much more comfortable, which is exactly what I want. So I really want to encourage you to go ahead and to order this reed finishing kit from Sandpiper Oboe Boutique. It's on their website right now for $90 Canadian, which is less than $70 US with the current exchange rate. It's a fantastic value, which is just gonna give you so much enjoyment through the increased performance of your reeds. Just a little FYI that if you order over $200 at Sandpiper Oboe Boutique, you do get free shipping. I'm gonna be making a few more videos to show you how to make the most out of the tools that are included in this kit, so you can get a lot out of it. Just make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them. The link to this reed making kit is in the description below, so please check it out. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope this was really helpful to you. If you found value in this video, hit that thumbs up button and let me know. Please let me know if there's anything that you'd like me to cover in a future oboe video. Don't forget, if you're on Instagram, you can check me out there at oboeron, where I post daily tips, tricks, and practice videos. Thank you so much and have a great day.